Okay, so activity 4 follows on from the listening activity number 3. And here we get to see the transcript from the recording and then answer a question which we can, or you can then post to the forum. You'll be able to share your ideas, your experiences, and any of your opinions, and also see those of other teachers on the TESOL Certificate course, including those that took the course previously, and get feedback from the tutor. Yes, Steve.
I love the forum. The forum is just so cool to see what all those other teachers are thinking and reading. So I'm quite excited about this one. Sorry. Let's go.
Right. No, absolutely. We get a lot of continuous engagement in there as well. And the interaction is fabulous. Yeah. Okay, so lesson 1. Okay, today we're going to study the present perfect continuous. The present perfect continuous is formed by the auxiliary verb have or has, plus the participle of the verb to be, that is been, and the present participle of the verb, that is the verb ending in ing. So, writing on the board, she has been waiting for the bus. Has been waiting is the present perfect continuous. It means she started waiting in the past and she is still waiting. And of course, if I'm teaching your students, you have this on the board, at least I can point to the different parts of it and make it a little bit easier to see what I'm talking about. Let's move to lesson 2. So if she had a picture, this is Anna. Where is she?
Bus stop.
She's at the bus stop. Yes. What's the time?
3 o'clock.
Yes, 3 o'clock. What's she doing?
Waiting.
Full sentence?
She's waiting for a bus.
Good. Change the clock time. What's the time now?
3:30.
Good. Is she still waiting?
Yes.
When did she start waiting?
3 o'clock.
So how long is that?
30 minutes.
30 minutes or half an hour. So how can we say this?
She is waiting for 30 minutes.
She has been waiting for 30 minutes. Sorry. And how long has she been waiting?
She has been waiting for 30 minutes.
Good.
So, Phil, which of these 2 presentations do you prefer and why?
Right. So I can type my answer in. And for me, I'm definitely prefer the second one with the situation type presentation because it's concrete and, I can see what's going on and I can see the meaning and I'm not overwhelmed by grammatical terms and so on and so forth.
I'm just is there any situation where students, I don't even want to press this because I know a lot of teachers use that number 1 style, and in a lot of countries teachers are taught to teach it from a decoding, kind of meta language perspective, and it must work for some people. I wonder what those percentages are.
Yeah, and even in UK schools and in international schools, there's been a shift to introduce grammatical terminology to primary school students. It's been hotly contested by a lot of teachers, but my own kids too, for example, they had to answer questions like write 5 sentences starting with adverbials. Right? Yeah. And they come to me saying, what's adverbials? And other parents come and saying, do you know what an adverbial is?
Right.
What's a fronted adverbial?
Right.
So, I mean, sometimes they're useful, obviously, basic things we need to know, like verbs and nouns and so on, but it can get quite complex and overwhelming. So it's definitely something to think about.
Are you going to take me to the forum?
Let's go.